This is the conversation. Someone sent a LinkedIn invite, and then within a few days, they withdrew that invite, and it still says pending on their LinkedIn profile. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's Riva. I'm not connected to Riva, but I'm going to send her an invite to connect. And now it says pending. So until she accepts that LinkedIn invite or I withdraw that LinkedIn invite, it should say pending. Now, how do you get it to change and how long does it take to change? Let's go up here to my network. I'm going to go to see all. I'm going to click on sent. And then you can see right here, here's the invite I sent to Riva. And now it's got the email address for this account. And I'm going to withdraw that. Now it is 128. Withdraw, withdraw. Now I'm going to go back to that profile. Give me a second. And look, 129 in less than a minute. I hit refresh and it's already back to connect. It is no longer pending. Now, why did it happen that quickly for me? I don't know. Maybe the system's running smooth today. And here's the other big question. Can you withdraw a LinkedIn invite and it still stays on pending? Unless there's something broke, it should go back to the connect button in less than 24 hours. If you sent an invite and you withdrew the invite, and it doesn't change in a day, then you might want to do a couple things. Number one, you might want to clear your cache on your browser. And I hate offering this, but this has actually solved problems for me. Clear the browser data. Get ready to have to log back into everything again. If that still doesn't solve it, then what you might want to do is take the LinkedIn profile URL, do a screenshot of your pending invite showing that you don't have an invite pending for the person that you're having a problem with. Do a screenshot of this page where it shows the word pending, and then go create a case on LinkedIn support. And you get to LinkedIn support right here. Click on help. Create a case and let them know that you're having this problem, and hopefully LinkedIn can solve it for you. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.